So how?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Increase the motivation of our team by liking our videos.
10 tips for happiness at work. Set clear goals. Defining clear goals is crucial for achieving success and staying motivated. By setting both short-term and long-term objectives, you can clarify your aspirations and create a roadmap for achieving them. Manage your time effectively. Effective time management lightens your workload and boosts productivity. Utilize techniques like daily planning, prioritization, and time tracking to optimize your time usage. Prioritize health and wellness. Eating a healthy diet and exercising regularly nourishes your body and mind. Increased energy, focus, and reduced stress contribute to a more productive work environment. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is vital for mental and physical well-being. It enhances concentration and memory, leading to greater workplace success. Cultivate a positive attitude. Maintaining a positive outlook helps you tackle workplace challenges and fosters happiness. Believe in yourself and your work, focusing on the silver lining in every situation. Build strong relationships with coworkers. Positive relationships with colleagues make work more enjoyable. Offer support, communicate openly, and foster camaraderie through shared experiences. Maintain a tidy workspace. A clean and organized workspace promotes comfort and focus. Dedicate time to keeping your desk and work area clutter-free. Take regular breaks. Continuous work can hinder productivity. Remember to take short breaks to refresh and recharge your mind. Seek and provide feedback. Constructive feedback facilitates personal growth and learning. Don't hesitate to request feedback from your supervisor and colleagues. Achieve work-life balance. Balancing work and personal life contributes to overall happiness. Prioritize time for yourself and engage in activities that bring you joy outside of work. Bonus tips: pursue hobbies. Engaging in activities you enjoy outside of work reduces stress and boosts motivation. Believe in yourself. Trust your abilities and skills, and don't limit your potential. Practice gratitude. Recognizing the positive aspects of your life fosters a positive outlook and enhances happiness. By implementing these tips, you can cultivate a happier and more fulfilling work experience.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.